Hi everyone, it's Nicole here from the Successful English Learner by Sydney English Teacher, and I'd like to welcome you to lesson number 2 in my pronunciation series on how to pronounce difficult English words. I really appreciate that you've come to join me again. For those of you who are new, we do have a previous video, so make sure that you watch lesson number 1 as well. For those of you who've already watched it, thanks for coming back for more. If you really enjoy the way I teach and you enjoy my learning videos, please do click on the subscribe button below so that you never miss out on any new learning content. So today I've got 5 more lovely English words for you, which we will learn how to pronounce properly together. Before we begin, just a quick reminder that I am not teaching the Australian English, British English, or even American English pronunciation. I'm teaching the international pronunciation so that you will be understood all over the world and so that you sound, as natural as possible. How does that sound? That's what we're here for. I'm here to help. So let's have a look. The first word I've chosen for you today is the word appliance. Appliance. Do you know what it means? Yeah, an appliance is really, an electrical, machine that you use to make your job a little easier or to make your life a little bit easier. A refrigerator or an oven, they're both appliances. But even if you're building something, an electrical saw could be an appliance as well. So an appliance is something that makes your life easier. Let's stick to that. Let's learn how to pronounce it. Again, don't panic. I'm not using the International Phonetic Alphabet here because not everybody knows it and you don't need to know it. Instead, what I'm doing is being a little less technical and I'm just representing the sounds that I say with a few prompts at the bottom of the screen. You can look at them or not look at them. It's entirely up to you. The most important thing is that you look here at my mouth and listen carefully to my voice. These prompts will help you if you do that. Are you ready? So we've got the word appliance. Appliance. And the way to pronounce this is appliance. 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 Can you try that? Appliance. That was perfect. Well done. If you need to pause or rewind, please do so. Not a problem. Let's move on to the second word for today, and that is the word cough. And we all know what that is. That's right. Although nowadays we need to wear a mask, don't we? So we've got the word cough, and the pronunciation of that is simply cough, with an F sound. Don't get stressed about the spelling with the O-U-G-H. Just pronounce it with an F sound. Cough. Cough. Your turn. Well done. That was really good. That was quite easy, actually. Cough. Moving on to the next word, we've got the word drought. Drought. Do you know what that one means? Yeah, a drought is a long period of time without water. So really when the land gets very dry and, the grass dies, the trees dry, the dirt really dries up. There's not enough water. Drought. Now, the pronunciation and the spelling of this word is completely different. I've tried to simplify it for you, and the way that I pronounce it, the way that I've written it is drought. Ow, ow, drought, drought. Can you try that? That's right, drought. Very good. A lot easier than O-U-G-H-T, isn't it? Drought. Well done. A lot easier than it looks. The next word I've got is the word gorgeous. And of course, the word gorgeous is a lovely informal way of saying beautiful, wonderful, very, very pretty, I suppose. Gorgeous. Now, again, the spelling and the pronunciation are quite different, and that's why people have difficulties with this. Here I've got my little prompt to help you. We've got gorgeous. 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 Can you try that? Perfect. Well done. Gorgeous. So much easier, isn't it? Wonderful. The next word we've got is, well, it looks really simple, but the pronunciation is quite hard. Many people, even native speakers, have difficulties with this word. We've got the word ask. So obviously we ask a question, the opposite of answer, I suppose. Now, many people get this S and K confused because they're two, I suppose, difficult sounds connected together. There's no vowel sound in between. So it makes it quite difficult for you to move your mouth quickly between those two sounds. But what I've tried to do is to simplify it for you. So we've got ah, s, k, ah, s, k. That's it. Ask. So my suggestion is to say it nice and slowly first and to divide those different sounds and then to practice saying it faster and faster. Ask, 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 ask. Your turn. Well done. Perfect. So there you go. There are 5 words for today. I hope that you really enjoyed learning and practicing them with me. If you have any questions at all, ask them in the comments section below. And if you have any requests of words that you find difficult to pronounce, get in touch, tell me, and I'll add them to the list of words to include in a future video. Again, if you enjoyed learning with me, subscribe to my channel, The Successful English Learner by Sydney English Teacher, so that you never miss out on any great learning opportunities. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have fun practicing these great words. Bye, everyone.